Hey everybody, thanks for tuning into today's video. Today I'm going to be showing you my process of doing a headlight restoration on this vehicle. So right now I'm wet sanding with 800 grit sandpaper, and this is going to do the majority of the work on removing those years of yellowing and oxidation. So now that I'm done wet sanding with the 800 grit sandpaper, since it is pretty aggressive, it's going to leave some marring. So I'm going to move up to our second most aggressive, which is 1000 grit. Now continuing the progression, I'm going to move up to the 1500 grit sandpaper, which is going to remove all the marring done by the 1000 grit. And now finishing off the sanding stage, I'm going to finish it off with a 2000 grit sandpaper, which is going to leave a really nice smooth finish in preparation for the polishing. So at this point of the restoration, I started to really notice that there was some oxidation on the inside of the headlamp, as well as some deep chemical stains in the plastic that I was not going to be able to get out. So now we're moving on to the polishing stage, and I'm going to be using a compound that's specifically made for plastics, along with using my Max Shine M15 Pro with a medium cut pad by Lake Country.
Ask you about love. Probably quote me a sonnet. You've never looked at a woman and been totally vulnerable. Oh my God, what an angel on earth just for you. Could rescue you from the depths of hell, and you wouldn't know what it's like to be her angel.
Now it's time to finish the polishing stage by using a fine polishing pad along with some polish. Moving on to the final step of the restoration, we're going to be sealing these headlights with Adam's 7-year graphene coating, and this is going to prevent oxidation from coming up again and also protect it against the elements and bugs. So here is a side-by-side comparison with the treated side and the untreated side. Sadly, we weren't able to 100% restore these headlights as they had some damage that was just unrepairable, but now the driver's going to have increased visibility and the car is just going to look so much better. Thanks for watching, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for some more detailing content.